You are always inside of something. You live inside many layers, even when you don't realize it. Right now, you're inside a physical space, a room, a building, a city. But that is only the most obvious container. You're also inside a body that holds your sensations, emotions, and thoughts. Beyond that are invisible enclosures, language, culture, family roles, beliefs, and expectations that quietly shape how you see yourself and the world. These layers feel solid, so solid that being inside seems like the default condition of existence. Because of this, a longing for an outside naturally arises. Freedom appears to live somewhere beyond the walls, beyond routines, beyond society, beyond the limits of identity. People search for it through travel, rebellion, new ideologies or spiritual paths, yet each escape leads only to another enclosure. A new belief replaces an old one. A new identity forms in opposition to the last. Even the act of thinking beyond limits creates new limits, because every thought draws a boundary. The outside always turns out to be just a larger inside. At some point, the search turns inward. Instead of trying to escape the world, attention begins to observe the mind itself. Thoughts rise and fall. Emotions pass through. The sense of me reveals itself not as a solid core, but as a story made of memory, habit, and expectation. The walls that once felt immovable are seen to be constructed from thought. They are patterns, not prisons. As this becomes clear, the struggle to escape begins to dissolve. With deeper understanding comes a quiet shift. The self that felt trapped is no longer at the center. Like a wave realizing it was never separate from the ocean, the sense of isolation softens. What remains is awareness, open, spacious and unconfined, within which all experiences appear and disappear. Freedom is no longer something to be achieved in the future or found elsewhere. It is recognized as what has always been present, hidden only by the belief in separation. In this recognition, life is no longer a cage to break out of, but a movement to participate in. Roles, worries and identities still arise, but they are worn lightly, like costumes in a play. There is nothing to escape from because the prison was never real. The door was always open. The freedom once sought in distant places is discovered here in the simple awareness of being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Over 90% of you wonderful viewers are not subscribed. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers. Please join us for the journey.